Welcome to Chippokes State Park in Surry, Virginia.
And our 5-minute tour video.
Hey everybody, I'm Phil and this is Shar, and we are founders of A Year to Volunteer. It's a volunteer organization for RVers that goes all over the country doing volunteer projects, mostly at state parks like Chippokes and also other nonprofits.
We are also the creators of Camper Gigs, where you can find work camping, camp hosting, and volunteer opportunities all over the country.
Let's get to this tour because you're gonna love this park. Getting to the park is a piece of cake. You take Alliance Road, not Highgate Road if you're a camper, to come on into the park. See the station behind us? It's typically unmanned, so you can either make your reservations online or you can pay at the station after 4 p.m. and the prices are super reasonable. If you're coming in before 4 p.m., just pass through the gate, go straight until you come to the visitor center and check in there. After 4 p.m., you should have a little envelope packet with all the information you need to get to your site.
The state park lies on the banks of the James River, right across from historic Jamestown, where the first English settlers landed in the Americas in 1607.
There are 2 campground loops here at Chippokes. Loop A that you see behind me has 31 sites. It's pretty good for a lot of campers, mostly fifth wheels down to vans. If you're a smaller rig, favor the inside loop. If you're a larger rig, like a fifth wheel, definitely stick to the outsides because they can accommodate the larger rigs. Just know that most of Loop A has 30 amps, but they all have water.
Loop B is a little bit more modern with all paved sites and 50 amp power. They all have water. Now there's back-in sites as well as pull-throughs. The pull-throughs aren't quite as level, but the back-ends are really good and will fit big rig Class A's. Both loops have a restroom and shower house, but Loop B has a laundry facility.
And a library.
Hey honey, let's stop and show them the Farm and Forestry Museum.
Yeah, this museum is great. In fact, we gave it a fresh coat of paint. It was opened in 1990 and it showcases farmhouse interiors and workshops with period equipment dating all the way back to 1619.
This museum gives you a really genuine feel for what it was like to work on these farms way back at the birth and growth of our country.
Now, Chippokes State Park used to be an old 750-acre plantation right here on the banks of the James River. It was deeded to one of the founders of the Jamestown settlement way back in 1619, changing hands a bunch of time ever since, but it just celebrated its 400th anniversary as one of the longest continuously operating farms in America.
And look back here, Albert Carroll Jones built this in 1854 to replace the original mansion that was located in a different part of the park. Well, local legend says that the reason it survived the Civil War was because he was selling his brandy to both sides.
Now, you equestrian lovers, bring your horses because you can take your horses on some trails and throughout portions of the park. You can even put them back here in this corral that Y2V built.
Are you like me and not a camper? Well, Chippokes State Park offers other arrangements as well, like cabins and yurts. The cabins go for about $110 and up, depending on or off-peak season and how many rooms you get.
Now, is camping or little cabins not your thing either? You can actually rent this old plantation house, which was a later addition to the park. It dates back to 1770, and when the park acquired it, they made it available to rent. It's going to cost you about $322 per night in peak season, slightly less in off-peak. And these structures are original to the house as well. This one was recited a little while ago, and we recited this one with our crew last week. All right, that's going to do it for us. If you're ever in southeastern Virginia, definitely check out Chippokes State Park. Also, take a look at the information below where we'll leave you with links to everything we've mentioned here today, including their website.
As always, if you like this video, please give us the thumbs up, like, subscribe, and share it with your family and friends.
See you later, everybody.
Bye.